Internal network failure, that's when the computer is talking to each other, when that fails. So if that if that internal network fails, your computer, with a client server system, your computers that you have with the software on them can't talk to the server, they can't work. They can't access data, and they're useless. Again, you have to hire some off-site tech support. Even if it's a patient, then you have to find the patient, get them in the office, and hopefully they can reconfigure this whole thing. And if they do, even if you do find a person, they come into your, let's say you call Geek Squad or something from Best Buy, they come in, the first thing you gotta do is explain this whole thing to them. Explain your software, they have to find the recovery disks, they have to do all this stuff, then they have to determine, is your data wiped out? Do you need to restore the data? Is your server fried, or is it not fried? Do you need a new server? If you need a new server, there's a diagnostic process that could take hours. Could take you a whole day just to go through this process to figure out what they have to do before they even get to it. With our system, with a web-based platform, again, you're logging in anytime, anywhere. All you have to do is get on the internet. So there is no internal network effect. There's no problem. 24/7 on-site support. Let's say our data center, for some reason, it survived Hurricane Sandy, but for some reason there's, God forbid, some other catastrophe that knocks down one of the data centers. First of all, I'd have to knock down all of our data centers, but let's say that happened too. In a data center, you got to understand that there's power backups, there's redundancy on top of redundancy, and the people, it's manned 24/7 by technical support people. So the odds that an entire data center is going to go down are very small, but let's say just our servers went down in a data center. There's people there that know our product, that know our servers, that know exactly how they're configured, and are there. Their sole job is to restore these things. All right, and of course we have redundancy in the data backup, in the software backups, and we have not only in each data center but offsite as well. So the likelihood that our network in our data center going down is going to have even close to the amount of downtime that you would have is almost none. We've had very, very, very little downtime in the 8+ years we've been in business. Definitely, I don't think any downtime that our clients have noticed in any real way. So internal network failure, again, web-based platform wins hands down.